check out the shirt, check out the shirt, check out the shirt. The shirt them bud. Team Entertainment Radio here, DJ Blue, live in Q Factory. Tonight is Marcia Griffiths, and you don't know the team of the out.
Greetings, this is yours truly, Marcia Griffiths. I would say big up to Team Blue Entertainment Radio. And Team Blue, big up yourself every time. I would say leave it right where you got it. Don't touch your dial now, you know, Marcia Griffiths said that. I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing.
Later on, stick and stay. Team Entertainment with the chill spot. Marcia Griffiths will be live. Me gone listen to some songs, yeah? Good evening, you're here once more with TEAMBLUE Entertainment Radio and DJ Blue. We're here live and we're here sitting with the beautiful lady Marcia Griffiths herself in person. And she's celebrating her 55th anniversary, and I'm here with her on TEAMBLUE Entertainment on the chill spot, chilling with her. Marcia, introduce yourself to the people.
I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing.
And if you were to give the younger generation any advice on what should do or should not do to be as great as you, what would that advice be?
I've been giving the younger generation advice over the years. I've never ceased. And for me to have inspired all the young singers in the business, I must have to pass on a lot of things, you know, that they don't fall in the holes that I fell in, even though I loved every experience on my journey, whether it was good or bad. But I share a lot. But the most important thing I tell them is that if they are blessed to be in the position to communicate to the world through the medium of the music, they must always remember that the message is the most important thing. If you're not sending the right message, especially to this generation who needs so much guidance, God calls upon the singers and the players of instrument, and it's only because we are the ones who are in the position, the vehicle, the most important vehicle to take the message, to unite, to teach, to educate, to uplift. You know, this is our weapon.
People,
yes,
you listen. You have to take the advice of the person that have been in reggae music for as long as you can imagine, yeah? But now, I would like you to tell all your followers where they can find your music, and if you have any upcoming albums and where they can get it.
I have a new CD out right now, Timeless, tribute to Studio One, and it's everywhere. It's on iTunes, just about anywhere you can get that album. And that album, you know why I love that album? Because Studio One is our Jamaica's Motown. And it's a pot of gold where all the legends and the icons graduate. And me taking those few songs out there is like a joke. It's a pot of gold, and that's the foundation of the music. And every young person needs to know where the music is coming from. You know, because every good thing stands on a solid foundation.
People, when you hear it, the label is timeless, yeah?
Yes.
And me, I call it pot of gold. Look out for it. She also said it's a pot of gold.
All right, greetings. This is yours truly, Marcia Griffiths. I would say big up to Team Blue Entertainment Radio. And Team Blue, big up yourself every time. And we say, leave it right where you got it. Don't touch your dial now, you know, Marcia Griffiths said that.